That was not in today's plan.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're out at a local boat ramp. You've seen it on my channel before, and we're gonna do some magnet fishing. Got some creative parking going on over there. Never actually seen anybody park there. So they're doing some work out here. A lot of timber and everything else coming down over there. So it looks like they're putting in some new access down that end of the lake, which would be pretty interesting, especially since it's so shallow down there. Like, can't even get a kayak into a lot of spots back there most of the time. So be interesting to see what they're doing back in there. Maybe they're putting another camping area like the one that's up over here, but we're gonna get set up and we're gonna see what we can get on the magnet. As always, if you guys like today's video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I appreciate all of my subscribers, and I want you to be a subscriber too. And hey, rude. Hey, check out our channel page. We got a lot of great content there. There's something on there for everybody. So let's get some magnet fishing done. All right, guys, today's video is sponsored by Centuria Magnetics. They're a great magnet fishing company. They sent me this magnet. I showed it to you in a previous video. It's an absolutely fantastic magnet. It got me way more stuff on the first trip out than my old magnet got me in every trip combined. So I'm super excited. This is my second time out with it, and I'm really excited to check it out on this boat ramp. So if you're interested in checking out their products, which I absolutely encourage you to do, there is a link down below, and you can use the code PENGUIN10 to save yourself 10% off your first order with Centuria Magnetics. All right, guys, let's see what we can get into. Must be a piece of rebar sticking out of the ramp down there. Got stuck on it for a second there. No first throw skunk today. Getting a hook out of the water. One of the things I love pulling out the most is old fishing hooks and line, because I don't like stepping on them. Now, one of the important things I want to mention, I try to mention it in any video where I'm doing something on a ramp other than launching a boat. Boat ramps are for launching boats. And I got no problem, obviously, with people using boat ramps for things other than launching boats. So long as you get out of the way, and get out of the way quickly if somebody shows up with a boat. If somebody pulls in right now wanting to launch their boat, I need to get my ass off the ramp. We got something on there. What is that? I'm guessing. Actually, I'm pretty positive. Yeah, that's a bolt. So what this is a bolt, because I can see the bolt head and the threads there, and it's just been in there a long time. Get that in the bucket. Little magnetic rock. Timber! I'm yelling timber, we gonna move, we gonna dance. Here. Oh, look at that screw. Big bolt slash screw, like a lag bolt. Got a hook on here too. Ooh. A bunch of more magnetic rocks. Stepped on it. lot of times people talk about the magnet feeling heavier during a retrieve. I've never heard anybody say that the magnet feels lighter. It feels lighter right now. That's just the weirdest thing. All right, on this one, pulled in a washer, old metal washer there. Got that out of the water. Let's kind of go back out the same general direction here. If we don't start getting more luck over here, we'll probably move over to where the pavilion you've seen before in other magnet fishing videos. All right, ignore Mr. Chainsaw. We got a old, looks like piece of a screw here. Yeah, it looks like piece of a self-tapping screw of some sort. Better in the bucket than somebody's tire. Just a little tiny piece of metal, nothing too major. A lot of magnetic rocks in here. All right, we're gonna try and do a couple pulls right along the side of the ramp. Got something on this one. Another lag bolt. We found the matching pair. That's worth cracking a beer for. Some kind of, oh, it's an old bottle cap. That's what that is. Broken bottle cap. It's been in there a long time. Coming in? All right. See something on the bottom of there. Hey, another matching washer. So far we've got 2 matching lag bolts and 2 matching washers. So the way I see it, I've earned 2 beers. We get something for our efforts. We did. Look at the size of that nail. You would not want that in the tire of your boat trailer, that's for sure. Whew. The boat ramp is not very far, so we're gonna lock the car. I don't want to put the magnet in there and pick all that stuff up. We're gonna lock the car and walk over. I said boat ramp, didn't I? The dock, floating pavilion if you will, is not that far. So we're gonna lock up the car. It's actually right there. Lock up the car. We're gonna walk over there and we're gonna work that some. I don't see anybody over there from here. If we get over to the dock and there's somebody fishing, we will come back to the ramp. We'll just stay here. It looks like there's something orange on the bottom of there. There is. Got us a jig head. Jig head. Stupid. I swear that chainsaw kicks on anytime I turn on the camera. Piece of an old hook. That might even be the shank from the hook, actually. Nah, it's too thick. I don't know what that is. Some piece of old metal. Let's go down this edge again. You know, I've seen people throw magnets a lot of different ways, but you know what I've never seen? I've never seen somebody TB12 it. Oh. Ow. I know why. It fucking sucks. Oh, that was more like a Kaepernick kind of throw. I see something on there. That is just an old, crushed up piece of metal. We got a bottle cap that's not completely torn to shit. The last one was all torn to shit. And you know the deal. When we get a bottle cap, if we can't see what the label is, we always guess. I'm gonna guess Bud Light. Let's see if we can even see if it even has a label on it. I take it back, it is pretty piece of shit. That is a Miller. I was wrong. Wow, wow, wow. Old broken piece of hook. This is another one that will be able to reuse. I'll give you a better look at it here. Magnet will let go for 2 seconds. That's another hook we'll be able to use for sure. Old twisted piece of metal here. Lake cleanup in full swing today. Another hook and line out of the water. This one we're not keeping, but still a hook out of the water. That's one less hook in my foot. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Check out that snake. What kind of snake is that? You guys know? I don't have a clue. Take a little ride with me. It's not terribly far. It's further than the dock, but it's not terribly far, so we're just gonna leave the car here and walk. It's good for me. If you haven't noticed, I put on a few pounds. I don't know what it is about us guys. My girlfriend's sexy as hell. You would think that would motivate me to be on the treadmill, and yet I keep convincing myself I'm getting enough exercise shooting these videos. But clearly, shooting the videos is not equaling out to my food intake. Having any luck today? You know what they're building over there? Is it just new water access? Down the end there where they're cutting all the trees out.
Oh, they're just logging.
Oh, okay. It was heading down towards the water. I thought maybe they're putting in another beach or something.
No.
I'm gonna wander around the corner and go throw my magnet in the water some more. Have good luck.
Okay, thank you.
Somebody carved a pumpkin in the tree. That's super cool, but it's still summer, man. My big problem with this spot is humans. Look at this. Like, I can see leaving a chair here, but look at all this trash. It's out here every time I come out here. It's just ridiculous. Ruh-roh. Shit. All right. We're getting wet. All right. All right. This bad boy. All that, nothing on it.
That was not in today's plan. You guys have heard me talk today about Centurion Magnetics and how good they are. And if you were wondering for 1 second how much I love my magnet, I swam in to get it. That's how good they are, and you should buy one. With that, we're going to wrap up today's video because I wasn't getting into too much over here anyway. And now I'm soaking wet. I don't feel like being soaking wet. And I'm not wearing quick dry gear because I wasn't planning on getting in the water. So we're going to go ahead and wrap it up. If you like today's video, don't forget to like it and click subscribe. Check out the channel page. There's a lot of great content over there. Guarantee you'll find something you like. Don't forget to check out Centurion Magnetics and tune in for the next episode. Peace out.